Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I definitely still think this is going to either go up and make it a running flat wave C, which in that case would probably put us up to the 100 or the 123 Fibonacci extension, or it's going to make its way all the way up to the 161.8, 178.6 for the expanding flat wave C. Either scenario, it's not that important to know the difference yet, because either way, I still think it's going to lead to a big uptrend, especially on the shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a crescent right here, the end of a wave 2. I think this is 5 waves up right here for a wave 1 of 3. I think this is a big WXY for a wave 2 of wave 3. And I still think this is going to end up continuing the uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame for the wave 3 of wave 3, which I think is a 3 of C, expanding flat or running flat. Heading down to the daily time frame, we had the elections yesterday for the Euro, the Parliament election, so it's definitely helped cause this thing go down very, very strong. I think that we do have 5 ways up right here, which is a 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. I'm watching my Fibonacci extension levels for the end of a crescent because I think this is still very likely going to continue the uptrend for a wave 3. And we do have interest rates for the US dollar on June 12th this week. Probably a pretty good time for this to end the correction and continue the uptrend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think we're in a wave C already. I think this right here is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves up B. I think this is very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down A. I think this is a 1. I think this is a corrective wave 2, and I think this is probably all a wave 3. Kind of looks like the wave 3 could be ending. Possibly this is already getting ready to go up for a wave 4 and then back down for a wave 5. If it continues to respect the Fibonacci area, go up, break, structure to the upside, that's exactly what I would be looking for to prove that this is the end of a correction, end of a wave C, and the continuation of the uptrend. I think this right here is a wave 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2, and I think we're going to go up for a big wave 3 still. So taking a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely think that we are in a wave 3. This is probably a 1 over here. This is probably a 2. Until we actually get a break of structure or a significant higher low on this 1 hour time frame, then most likely we're still in a wave 3. By the looks of it, it does seem pretty likely that it will probably start a move to the upside, which will most likely be a very overlapping, very corrective A, B, C pattern, which I would expect to be a wave 4. And then I would expect to see at least one more push down for a wave 5. And if this really is all a wave C, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, and it bounces from a fib level, goes up, breaks the wave 4 high, that is exactly what I'd be looking out for to prove that this is the end of a correction, end of a wave C, probably the end of an ABC of 2 on the 4 hour and daily, and probably a very good entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Until we actually see this 3-4 shape on at least a 4 hour time frame, I would definitely still primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.